January 2025. The skies over Washington, D.C. became the scene of a devastating air disaster. An Army helicopter collided mid-air with a commercial flight, just seconds from safety. 67 people lost their lives. And now, a chilling update. The pilot of the helicopter ignored direct instructions to turn left. Air traffic controllers warned the pilot to change course. That single maneuver could have opened safe separation. But that turn never came. And in mere moments, the unthinkable happened. This tragedy reminds us, aviation demands precision, discipline, and trust. One missed instruction, 67 lives lost.